buzzing, woozing, wobbling, winging, lava lamp liquid I am, blobbing up and down, left, right, all around, in this milky fullness of ecstasis, zipping, swooshing, zwonking, zapping, time bends backwards, forwards, sideways, here today, yesterday, tomorrow, never before, always, vertically vexed. Part of me remembers. I feel you in me. I feel me in you. We feel you. Me, him, her, us, them. No, not me, not you, not we, not us, not them. Only be. Am not here. Only this buzzing symphony of light. Spreading, space linking, pulling down the vastness. Thou was, is, will be me. Liquid laughter, gelatinous joy, soaking the carpet of remembrance, singing the sweet serenity of spreading.